Guys, we're going to learn one of the basic fundamentals. We're going to learn Steve. So Steve looks like this.
I want the bike.
And then up. So that's a Steve. So basically,
Wow.
we're going to focus this thing into breaking it. We're going to roll outside and around our body to this point here.
And the trick.
So we're coming into onto our shoulder, and then we're going to allow it to do one half turn, duck around it, and then roll back out, right up to here. So what we're going to do is, from this point, thumb facing inwards, hand facing forwards, we're going to roll, let it come to here, duck under that bit, and then bring our hand back up and out. So a few things to work on with that one. Breaking it down, first part being like we're talking about, we're going to roll here. You don't want to hold your arm really straight, otherwise it's going to slide very fast. You want to create like a nice shallow angle. You want to have a half circle so that it goes round past your elbow and then back to your neck. At this point, it's going to sit here on your neck, and you're going to try and wait for it to rotate, and then you're going to duck around and underneath it. At that point, because the dragon staff's rolling forwards, from here, it'll have rolled full up your neck, done a half turn, and will now be rolling down your neck again. At that point, you just put your arm up, and you bring it back up the other side of your sleeve. Same thing, not trying to be too tall, not trying to make it go straight up. We're just trying to create a nice shallow ramp for it to come up our arm and our elbow, back to our hand. One more time, half my shoes, but here we go. Down and around, duck and under, and then arm back up and down. Now, bonus move, what you can do is when you get to this point where you do your first half Steve to this point, then we can milk this whole section. So instead of doing that half turn to make it roll in the same direction, what we can do is we can actually just duck out, and we can focus on just allowing it to roll directly across our shoulder blades. So it does a straight from hitting one shoulder all the way across to the other shoulder and past. And then when you do that, you can actually slow down it all, turn in the same speed as the dragon staff, and create this really fancy move. Just like this. Gets to our neck, we start turning with it, we duck out, and then we pull it up the top. One more time. Coming up here, starting in our chi roll pattern. We're going to push against the side, bring it up to the top. Wait here until you're feeling comfortable. Turn it if you need to. And then we're going to roll, wait till it gets to our neck. Turn with it, duck it around, feel it come past our shoulder and elbow. And then up the top again. Have fun. Work on it.